DM Agency, a digital marketing agency. Digitalmarketings.com. For branding and promotional activities, we provide the best digital marketing service. DM Agency is a sister concern of Shomrat ICT Limited. We provide data-driven digital marketing service. Frequently, we see some ads on our devices which are provided from Google and Facebook. These ads are provided using artificial intelligence based on consumer behavior. One of the popular ads is provided on YouTube. We can see Google ads whenever we see YouTube videos. It's either on the starting of the video or in between the video. We can also see some discovery ad in YouTube. And also whenever we search on YouTube, we see keyword related ads on top of the YouTube videos, which are called YouTube search ads. Whenever we open our Gmail account, we see some Google ads which are provided on our inbox, and these are provided using email template. We can see Viber and emo ads which are provided from Google. We can also see different kinds of Facebook ad which are posted using video, picture or carousel ad. We can see a sample of carousel ad which can be provided by real estate, e-commerce or restaurant to provide variety of products using one single post. Facebook ads can also be provided in Messenger ads. We can also see different kinds of Google paid ads which are display ad, search ad, Google shopping ad. We can also provide Google display ad which can be provided using banner, picture or any other type of content. We can also provide Facebook and Google ads on different apps on different mobile devices using AI, which means artificial intelligence for your business. Our working process consists of a research team who plan to deliver the successful outcome. And then we create content, which consists of website development, picture content, video content, and text content. And then we target our audience based on your product, service, or location. We have 30 digital marketing ways to grab that target audience. For example, we use Google Ads, social media marketing, email marketing, and other digital marketing ways. We have creative content development, which includes professional video and audio editing, creative picture, creative text, and dynamic website. Why is website design and development so important? Because it has high customer engagement, and whenever a customer visits your website, they get a company overview, they get all the information, product, service, and all the information that is required to know your company. We have latest website features that includes attractive slider, picture, and design. Website features are so user-friendly that anyone without coding knowledge can easily edit or modify the website. We also have social media integration, chatbot, and 3D map. We have some exclusive features like local area marketing, cost calculator, and online secured payment using Payment Gateway. Our website feature for restaurant consists of online reservation, advanced search filter for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, and happy hours. We have categorized list of their services. For hospitals, we have a list of services based on their specialized doctor, department, and medical services. We have booking appointment. We have 360 view of the hospital ward. For real estate, we have 3D and animated videos. We have advanced search filter, and we also have RTL support. We can see some restaurant website demo here where the whole company overview can be given in the website, as well as they can provide their best quality food. They can give their stories in the website. They can also provide their daily offers, which will give the customers a clear idea which products or food items are on their daily offer list. And then they can select the food. And here we can select the food according to breakfast, lunch, dinner, beverage, and filter them accordingly. And we can also add this food to the cart. We can see another website demo which shows that we can filter the food in another way by selecting whether it's pizza, pasta or burger. Based on our food item, we can select the food. And we can also book the table from this home page. We can easily put our name, our contact information and our time, and we can select the place when we want to go to that restaurant. Apart from that, we can also add slider, which can be animated picture or a video to give clear information to our consumers. We can also create sliders like this, which can be very attractive and informative at the same time. For example, here we can see a slider which changes according to the different flavors offered by the food companies. Panna2 is one of our clients for whom we have created a website, and one of their important feature is their reservation option. It's very easy and quick. It's integrated with Google Form, and we can easily put our name and our contact information to put a reservation on this restaurant. We can see some e-commerce website demo which shows that we can customize and edit all the e-commerce website according to their requirements, according to the service and product. Apart from that, we can see different ideas of e-commerce website design using their features and their products. We can say another important feature of an e-commerce business is a 360 view of the product, which means that we can see the product using 360 degree, and it helps us to understand the product more clearly. We can also see on a products page that we can see the product by zooming in or zooming out to have a clear view of the product. We can also select different colors for the same product for different size, because prices vary according to color and size. We can also see that for this product, the total number of stock available. This shows that the stocks are available for only 19 products. It shows the demand of the product. This website was created for one of our clients, ABC Mart. It shows the menu tab which has category. We can easily select the type of food we want to see, the type of medicines we want to see. We can select by selecting the different category. Also, another advanced search filter option. This shows that we can select different brand and select that specific brand's product. For example, Aarong has similar products, and we can also select the same brand's product as well to get easier way of using the website. We can also see some slider examples where we can add picture, video or animation. This is another interactive slider example which we can add for beauty products or cosmetics for an integrative way of engaging customers. Similarly, we can do slider for before and after effect of any cosmetic or any other e-commerce product. We also provide geolocation service using Google Map, which gives a 360-degree view of the internal and external environment. We also provide picture content service because picture reflects the company's product or services. By using any kind of creative picture content, we can easily attract consumers. For example, here we have one of our work that is shown using a product that is a shoe which is reflected on an attractive background. We also have created a picture content development for our client Airfresh, which is created on a lucrative and attractive background and are given with a very informative information of the product. Only because of their high quality image, this has reached high engagement. Whereas for our ordinary picture content, there will be not much engagement. We also offer video content service which contains the company overview and provides an easy, clear concept of the product or service offered by the company. We also provide text content service which can be given in the form of any information through Facebook post content, SMS content, video script writing, video text content, and products description. We have 30 digital marketing areas which contains Facebook ad, WhatsApp ad, Google paid ads, and a lot more. We have digital marketing areas which consist of SEO, search engine optimization, paid ads, email marketing, web analytics, affiliated marketing, social media marketing, and competitor spying. We also offer local area marketing, which can be used to grab your local customers within 10 kilometers. This can be done using email marketing, SMS marketing, social media ad, Google ads, or local SEO. Using artificial intelligence through Facebook or Google, we can understand consumer behavior. We can understand what type of product or service consumer is interested in. It gives a clear idea of the consumer's perspective, preferences, and taste. We can also use chatbot to provide them automated responses. For example, AI is so popular in the recent times that Daraz has provided a TVC commercial which shows that Daraz app knows everything that their consumers want because it is using AI. So, in a similar pattern, AI will help any company to understand their consumer behavior and recommend them similar products when they will visit their app next time. We can also see an example of a chatbot that is used with AI that shows that they can send automated responses. If any employee is not free to send a reply back, they can use chatbot to send them automated responses. We also provide video marketing service, which is also an easier way to communicate with your clients. We have provided the video content of Airfresh in TVC as well as social media marketing. But social media had a high response compared to TVC. Using Facebook sales funnel, we can micro-target our consumers. At the top funnel, the very new consumers are targeted using Facebook ad, growth tools, and organic content. At the middle funnel, we can retarget these consumers to take an action of this consumer by using comment, lead generation, or sponsored message to provide them a reminder to take or purchase any product from the website. At the bottom funnel, we will try to build a loyal relationship between the consumer so that they purchase more frequently. Using Facebook Pixel, we can target the audience based on their preferences and their choice. In the recent times, Facebook ad account is getting blocked. However, we work with HTTP that provides us to work more smoothly and Facebook ad accounts do not get blocked. We also provide email marketing services that gives an overview of the company within an email. It shows all their services and facilities. We also provide an email report that shows how many people have opened their email, how many people have clicked, from which location they have opened the email, from which devices. And why is it so important? Because we can use this data to remarket this audience so that we will be able to send them the products they want to see. We can also use keyword research to understand the market demand. For example, in this sample, we have used the keyword hospital, which shows that 10,000 to 100,000 people monthly search hospital keyword on Google. And we can grab this market segment by using search engine optimization. SEO helps to get at the top ranking for any website. Or we can use Google paid ads, which is a faster way to get at the top. We also provide SMS marketing services because SMS is preferred by most of the people as it can be used online or offline. SMS marketing has 98% open rate and 45% response rate. SMS report can be scheduled and it can be sent using masking or non-masking. Masking means that the SMS will be sent from the company's name, which means that the company has to register their name from BTRC, and we help them to do all the documentation and verify their account from BTRC. Another way can be done through non-masking. Non-masking means that any SMS will be sent from a specific number from the company. We provide a SMS marketing report to maintain a client transparency, which shows that how many messages were sent to the customers. Similarly, we provide a report or an access to the account for email marketing, social media marketing, which shows the client that how many consumers have reached the email, how many have delivered and bounced. They can use this data to retarget their audience. Some of our links for US and Canadian clients are given, and some of our clients from Bangladesh are given as well. We have built successful client story because of our commitment, dedication, and punctuality. As Jeff Bezos says, it's hard to find things that won't sell online, which means that there is nothing that cannot be sold on a digital platform. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.